Hello everyone, I'm Mrs. Sunia Vilash, St. Anselm's School, Apollo. Welcome to our beautiful home where nature's wonders around. Look at the lush forest, winding rivers, majestic mountains, beautiful valleys, mesmerizing waterfalls, rhythmic heartbeats of the oceans, and nature's icy sculptures. This breathtaking landscape is a symphony of sights and sounds, an invitation to explore and immerse oneself in the wonders of the natural world. Well, however, this landscape of the earth is continuously changing due to the process of weathering and erosion. Now let's see what is weathering. Okay, weathering is a process of breaking down of the rocks into smaller and smaller pieces by the effect of weather. But erosion is the wearing away of the rocks by different agents like water, wind, waves and ice. So in today's topic, we are going to study in detail about how these various landforms are created. Let's have a close look to the landforms created by the sea waves. The erosional and deposition activity of the sea waves give rise to coastal landforms and modifies them. The process of erosion by sea waves is also known as marine erosion. For example, the sea waves erode rock particles and turn them into finer sand particles. Actually, the process of marine deposition is very slow, and actually, it may take thousands of years to change or modify a coastal landform. Now, let us have a close look to the landform which is created due to the depositional activity of the sea waves. Beaches are created due to the depositional activity of the sea waves. Actually, these waves are depositing these eroded sediments of sand and pebbles and all along the sea coast, okay, or along the shores, which is creating beautiful beaches. Okay, for example, Juhu Beach, Marina Beach, etc. After the beaches, the next comes sandbars. Sandbars are created when sand and gravel get deposited a little away from the coast. Are you ready to study another platform created by the sea wave? Okay, now let us go to the lagoons. Okay, what are lagoons? When a portion of sea gets trapped between sandbars and the coast, it forms saltwater lakes. Okay, these saltwater lakes are called lagoons. Actually, these lagoons are also called backwaters. Kerala also has a number of lagoons or backwaters, beautiful backwaters. Another spectacular landform created by the sea wave is sea cliffs. Sea cliffs are steep faces of rock and soil that are formed by the erosional activity of the waves. Actually, these cliffs ranges from only a few meters to hundreds of meters above the sea level. The next landform is sea caves. Actually, when the waves continuously strike rocks, cracks develop in them. As these cracks become larger and wider, hollow caves get formed on the rocks. These are called sea caves. The next one is sea arches. Actually, further erosion make the caves become bigger and bigger, leaving only the roof forming sea arches. Next one is sea stacks and stumps. Actually, all these erosional activities, okay, from the sea cliffs onwards, okay, the more erosion, again making another this landform, and again like a sea cliffs, Again, the more erosional activity of the sea waves causing the sea caves, and again the sea caves erosional activity continuously again and again, and it forms sea arches. Due to the continuous erosional activity of the sea caves, again the formation of the sea stacks and sea stumps. Actually, as the erosion process continues, it breaks even the roof of the arches. Okay, again and again. Okay, the remaining roof is also being eroded due to the erosional activity, and it breaks even the roof of the arches. And only when the arches are fallen down, or due to the erosion, when the arches are removed, only the walls will be remaining. Okay, so these walls like features are known as stacks, and when the stacks get further eroded, they are becoming, or they are forming like a stumps. Okay, like the more erosion, finally it is being like the stumps. And the last one, it is bay. Okay, sometimes a coast is made up of both hard and soft rocks. The soft rocks eroded faster and leads to the formation of a bay. Okay, so the various landforms made by sea waves are: first one, due to the depositional activity, beaches, then sandbars, lagoons, sea cliffs, sea caves, sea arches, stacks and stumps, and finally bays. Thank you.